Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 18th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the 1 hour time frame on the US dollar Swiss is definitely continuing to drift up. Yesterday, I was telling you to keep an eye on your fib levels just in case you get a breakdown. It definitely did bounce from fib levels, but it never broke structure. Every single one of these swings is definitely a higher low. So definitely keep in mind that you could be looking for longs on these sort of time frames, but the higher time frames are definitely still down. There's really nothing stopping this thing from potentially going down again. So just keep in mind that the higher time frames are definitely still down. So on the 1 hour time frame, I would potentially be keeping a very close eye on these fib levels. If price goes to a fib level, gives you a break of structure to the downside, I at that point would definitely go back to shorts because all the higher time frames are in a downtrend. I would have to see this picture right here to believe it before I would start to go short, because I mean there is a chance that this is going to just keep going up. So I would definitely want to see a Fibonacci bounce. I would definitely want to see a break of structure to go short for potentially the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. Now today is FOMC interest rate news, which is a really big news event for the US, and I will be live streaming for that news event on YouTube. So make sure you stop in so that way you can see my latest analysis on all your favorite pairs. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.